Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is about chocolate filled donuts. So firstly take around 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Then add in around 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then goes in around 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and some salt as well. Then add in around 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil. Gradually keep on adding some milk until you form a dough. Then cover it up for around 30 to 45 minutes or maybe even like 1 hour. Then later on warm up the dough, divide it into small portions and roll it out. Then put some all-purpose flour on the base so that the dough doesn't stick when we roll it out. And then roll into a circle or any other shape, however you are able to. Also, do not make it too thin, it should be quite a bit thick. Now you can use any utensil and then just cut it into a circle so that you get rid of the borders which are probably uneven, so you could just get rid of those uneven ends. And with that you have a proper even circular thick dough. Okay, so one way is to add a spoon of Nutella. Don't add too much of it, and not are you supposed to add too little, because then you would just taste the the filling the donut thing, the bread part, and not the chocolate. So take around 1 spoon, that is perfect. Then bring all of it together, cover it up, pinch it together. See to it that it's not thin from any side. That is why we used a utensil to cut a proper get rid of the ends which are uneven, so that when we all cover it up, the chocolate doesn't get out when we are frying it. So now this time you could just keep a piece of chocolate inside it and cover it up, pinch it together. Okay, so once you're done with all of them, you have to deep fry these on low to medium flame for around 3 to 4 minutes until they are properly cooked from each and every side. Okay, so now the next step is completely optional. So if you want it to look a lot better than just a fried donut, you could just dice it around in some sugar or even some cinnamon powder and sugar to make it look a lot more better. And with that, mini chocolate filled donuts are ready. I hope you like this video. Do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. And I hope you like this and see you next time. Bye.